Today, we're going to be looking at the science behind how ginger prevents cancer. Ginger root comes from the Zingiber officinale plant, and it has been used in traditional Chinese and Indian medicine for a very long time. Ginger contains numerous compounds that have an impressive list of abilities to protect our health. They are shown to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antiviral, antifungal, antiarthritic, hypotensive, and radioprotective properties. Ginger is an excellent source of compounds that have been shown to have incredible anti-cancer effects. Ginger has been found to be beneficial in both cell and animal prostate cancer models and to have the ability to suppress a large number of different types of cancers. These include colorectal, skin, lung cancers in lab animals. Ginger has also been shown to inhibit the growth of leukemia cells and also the ability to inhibit the growth of other types of cancers such as gastric, pancreatic, liver, and ovarian. There is also some evidence that consuming ginger could mitigate the dangerous effects of exposure to BPA. Ginger can reduce various types of oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can happen when too many free radicals build up in our bodies. Free radicals are toxic substances produced by metabolism and other factors. In a systematic review article published in 2020, researchers found ginger to improve the expression level of markers for colorectal cancer risk. Experimental studies showed that ginger and its active components, including 6-gingerol and 6-shogal, exert anti-cancer activities against gastrointestinal cancer. In a 2015 study published in the journal Nutrient, researchers found ginger to be effective against various gastrointestinal cancers, such as gastric cancer, pancreatic cancer, liver cancer, and colorectal cancer. The review concludes that ginger may inhibit the growth of cancer cells in certain types of cancers or contribute to the death of cancer cells in other types. They go on to point out that most of the known activities of ginger components are based on in vitro or petri dish studies and lab animals, except for a few clinical studies in human subjects. Therefore, more extensive and well-controlled human studies are needed to demonstrate the effectiveness of ginger as an anti-cancer agent. A 2008 review study published in Food and Toxicology, researchers found anti-cancer properties of ginger to be attributed to certain pungent valenoids, a number of mechanisms that may be involved in the chemoprotective effects of ginger and its components have been reported from the laboratory studies in a wide range of experimental models. There are a number of important compounds found in ginger that helps with breast cancer. These include the 6-gingerol and the 4-shogal, both found to inhibit the migration and spread of triple-negative breast cancer cells. Therefore, the role of ginger in breast cancer treatment is quite promising. Ginger compounds has been shown to increase the cytotoxic effects of chemotherapy. Ginger has also been found to be effective in treating the nausea and vomiting that could come from chemotherapy, although not all studies agree. The key appears to be to take the ginger before undergoing a chemotherapy treatment as well as afterwards. In a recent 2022 article published in the journal Frontiers in Nutrition, a daily consumption of lemon and ginger in mice led to tumor regression in the mice. The lemon and ginger combination represents promising options to develop anti-cancer infusions for augmenting conventional anti-cancer therapies. Of course, further testing is needed since this was merely done for mice and not in humans. In another article published in 2021, there is evidence for gingerol as an effective therapeutic drug for cervical cancer. While ginger is safe in regular cooking, care should be taken when consumed in larger doses than what we would use in cooking as a spice. People on medications should definitely consult healthcare professionals prior to supplementing with ginger. Eating fresh ginger in high doses can have blood thinning effects by preventing platelets from sticking together. Therefore, especially for people on blood thinners, they need to be extra careful when adding additional ginger to their diets.